Want glowing skin and natural energy without expensive supplements? Here's a simple glow juice you can make at home. Today on KrisinfoTVOfficial, we're making our orange carrot glow juice. Refreshing, vibrant, and packed with nutrients. You'll need 3 fresh oranges, 2 medium carrots, 1 inch of fresh ginger, and half a cup of cold water. Optional. Preparation: 25 to 35s. Peel and chop the oranges and carrots. Add everything into a blender, blend until smooth, and strain if you prefer a lighter texture. Benefits: this juice is rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which support immune health and promote radiant-looking skin. Ginger adds a natural anti-inflammatory boost and supports digestion. Lifestyle close. It's perfect in the morning or as an afternoon refresh. This recipe is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Follow KrisinfoTVOfficial for more smart wellness recipes and daily updates.